Hey y'all, Jake from Minimum Wood Design. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gun storage key rack. Need some WD-40. I'm going to make this at a 24-inch by 11.25 poplar. When I used to sell these on Etsy, I made them out of pine, so you can use just about any scrap that you want to use on this. I'll post these on the screen here, but also put them in the description. The back piece is the very back part that sits against the wall. The sides, obviously self-explanatory. The ledge is what the gun sits on. The roof is a top piece, and the door is what will open. Like I said, I'll put those in the description as well. I am actually going to use a piece of scrap plywood for my back piece, so I'll just need to compensate for the edge banding, which I'll put on here in a minute. I'm going to kind of sketch these out because I'm going to give them a slight concave look. You can cut straight across if you want, it makes no difference. I'm going to do this using my jigsaw. So I'll get these cut with the jigsaw, put it on the edge banding here. Make sure to compensate that, just make it the back piece a little, about a 30-second smaller, or shorter rather. I'll get everything sanded up and get to the assembly process. As you see, I've used pocket hole screws. This is the roof piece, which I'm sanding up now. Place it on the roof. Then I'm measuring out the door. Even though you cut it to the specifications, sometimes you might need to sand it a little bit to get it to fit in how it's supposed to. I am going to use a Craig hinge jig that makes it pretty easy to put these hinges in place. I use this jig a ton and it's very handy and durable. Next, I'll get it all stained up. I'm using Rust-Oleum brand Dark Walnut. I love Rust-Oleum over other brands. Not sponsored, but they smell a lot less and it seems to dissipate a lot faster than other stains I've used in the past. All right, I'll get the hinges on and the knob and we'll get it screwed into the rack. Now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to put a cover on this using Mod Podge. If you've ever used Mod Podge before, it's a glue and a sealer. So I printed this out using my LaserJet printer. You can use an inkjet, but the colors will run a little bit, so you just have to do it fast. I'll let that sit, and it's now dry, and I'll mark the spots for the key hooks. I'll now add the gun magnet. I get these on Amazon. There's a ton of sellers that make these. This one's rated for 46 pounds. And then I'll put the pilot hole for the wall mount. And finally move on to getting this RFID lock put in. This is one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. It's been working all right, so I guess I'll roll with it for now. I'm using a 70-pound rated self-drilling wall anchor. Normally I would put 2 of these on. I'm just going to put 1 for right now and get that screwed in. We'll get my old Glock 17 thrown in there, get her locked up and see how she works. There it is. All right, might need a little WD-40, but other than that, she works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've got value out of this. We'll see you next time.